Imagine this. You want to tell someone you love them, but you don't want to say the same old, I love you. You want something deeper, softer, more meaningful. Here are 5 romantic phrases you can use instead. Simple English, real emotion. Number 1, you feel like home to me. This means the person makes you feel safe and comfortable, like you truly belong with them. Number 2, I don't want perfect, I want you. It shows that the person is more important than perfection. Very honest, very real. Number 3, every time I look at you, I fall a little more. This means your feelings grow stronger each time you see them. Soft and emotional. Number 4, you make everything feel lighter. This is about support. The person makes your life easier and calmer. Number 5, I didn't believe in the one until I met you. It means meeting them changed the way you see love, deep and meaningful. These phrases are simple, natural, and full of emotion. Now it's your turn. Pick one phrase and write your own example sentence in the comments. I'll check it and help you say it perfectly. Keep learning with English Fix Up.